Welcome back to Autoverse, the place where power meets innovation and machines speak louder than words. Today, we are standing in front of a beast that completely redefines strength, luxury, and off-road dominance. This is not just a truck. This is a statement on wheels. From the moment you look at it, you can feel the raw authority in its design, the confidence in its stance, and the engineering brilliance behind every curve. The massive grille at the front instantly grabs attention, giving this truck an aggressive and commanding presence. The bold headlights are designed not only to look sharp, but to cut through darkness with precision. Every inch of this machine screams performance, from its muscular body lines to its elevated suspension, built to conquer the toughest terrains on the planet. Now, take a moment to appreciate those gigantic off-road tires. These are not here for show. They are engineered for extreme grip, stability, and control, whether you're climbing rocky mountains, cruising through muddy trails, or dominating the open road. The lifted body gives this truck unmatched ground clearance, making obstacles feel insignificant. What truly sets this machine apart is the perfect balance between rugged capability and modern luxury. Inside, you'll find advanced technology, intelligent systems, and premium comfort designed for both adventure and everyday driving. This truck proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for power. Under the hood lies the heart of a true monster, delivering incredible torque and performance that makes every drive thrilling. It's built for those who demand more, who refuse to settle for ordinary, and who live for the adrenaline of the drive. At Autoverse, we bring you closer to the machines that shape the future of the automotive world. If you love powerful trucks, cutting-edge designs, and next-level performance, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autoverse, and join our journey toward 1K subscribers. Your support fuels our passion, and together, we'll keep exploring the world of automotive excellence. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.